Babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Alipearl hair. Big thank you to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this ready to go halo braid wig. She's 26 inches. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so we have the max when it comes to lace frontal parting. This is an HD, crispy HD. Look at this lace. Flawless. This wig is ready to go, pre-styled, and this is in a deep wave texture. I do have this in a medium cap size, so I'm going to show you what the inside of this wig cap looks like, but this is just an up close of the halo braid. This is a super gorgeous pre-styled wig. Inside you see all that lace space. She's pre-bleached. We have a comb in the nape area, a non-slip adjustable band, 2 combs on the side, and adjustable straps inside. So a closer look at the lace. That lace parting is exceptional. I love lace like that because when you're ready to undo this braided style, this halo braid, your styles are endless because you have so much lace parting. So as you can see, once I put her on, I'm impressed. This lace is flawless. When I tell you this is crispy, this is 4K lace. This isn't even HD lace. This is 4K. This looks so good. So I'm going to show you an up close of what this looks like. These are super tiny knots, basically invisible. Alipearl never disappoints when it comes to their pre-bleached wigs and their HD lace. They are top of the top when it comes to their lace quality. So this is going to be an easy install. All I have to do is cut the ear tabs because this lace is pre-cut. So I'm going to cut my ear tabs on each side, making sure that it lays very flat. That's how I know I'm going to get the best install. And then I'm going to go in with my ORS wig grip and adhere this lace down. So while I am adhering the lace down, I'm just using the end of my rat's tail comb to push it into the skin so that we get a super flawless melt. You can use any spray or glue that you prefer. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to use the melt band that was provided to melt that lace, and then I'm going to spray this down with water and add some Lotta Body mousse while I comb the hair out to get these curls to pop. So once all of that is done, I'm going to use my diffuser. I do have this on a medium heat setting and I have it on low, and this is just to dry the curls so we get that nice body and fullness back. I used the water and the mousse just to define the curls even though they were already defined. That's just something that I do with curly hair, and we're just going to use the diffuser to bring back that full density. And this is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. This hair is gorgeous, and this hair is thick. Did I mention that this hair is thick? Because it is. So now with the baby hairs, this does come with full baby hairs. I mean, you have baby hairs around the entire hairline. I really did not want to have to style all those baby hairs because it gets super messy, especially with makeup on. But if you like that, these baby hairs are already cut for you. So that's perfect. That is a perfect start point for those who like that. I decided to pluck these baby hairs out right in the front, and I kept the ones at the temple and the ear tabs. I'm going to use my gel, and I'm going to use the edge brush that was provided with the package and swoop those baby hairs into place. Here I was just touching up that lace with my ORS wig grip. And now I'm using the Edge Booster Gel, and we're going to slick and swoop those baby hairs into a C pattern. And once I'm done, we're ready to go. This was such an easy install. I love, love, love this wig. This braid is gorgeous. They did their thing with this halo braid. Pre-styled, right out of the box, ready to go. All the links will be down in the description box. Big shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.